Good rising, family, good rising. So I've been talking about the container business prints / plans to help you start your independence coming into 2021, where I now have them live on the website today. And I wanted to give you a small update. Right now I'm on my laptop, so that way I can show you what the website looked like on the laptop. And I'm gonna go down here and give you some few updates. We're just gonna click down some, kind of show you how the website is lined out for those who haven't visited it yet. For the sake of time, I'm not going to just spend too much time on each section. Just want to get down to the prints. But wanted to show you the layout of my website. So here we go. Here we go, a photo of a conversion. This is a 20-foot conversion. The plans / prints are actually showing you how to turn a 40-foot shipping container high cube into 2 different units to be able to sell both units, to flip, or to keep one, to sell one, and then keep flipping, however you want to do it. But I created this to be able to help the entrepreneur, the independent welder, the iron worker, the fabricator, the installer actually build their independence, or the person who's trying to start a barbershop, a salon, a food place, have their own mobile kitchen, whatever it is you're trying to do. It's something that you do, that you specialize in, that you could actually have your independence and make it nice on something like this. You can own, rent you a location that's affordable, or you can be able to own you a land spot. You know, some people, like, literally, it's affordable to rent you a location for these. So if you own it, it's cost efficient. It doesn't take a lot of power to kick it off. You can use a generator, you can plug straight in. You can have both options, actually, with the way you design it. So there's plenty of things you can do. So just keep your options open on that level. I just wanted to show you with this. I'm going to show you give you some ideas in an email, going over verbatim how to network it to, how to build your movement around it, how to know what and what not to do with the materials, what materials, everything you need. Plus, I'm going to give you a video of me personally walking around one of the 40-foot conversions I did personally, to show you how I did it, what I did, some of the ideas of what you can do. So that way you will know more of what you're getting involved in. So for those who haven't visited the site yet, please check it out. It's www.HogOn2017.com. That's www.HogOn2017.com. And if you're on social media, you can share the links, and you can also go and leave a comment. So you can come down here. There's some brothers that have left comments now. You can go down here and leave some comments to support the channel. And, you know, like I say, once I see it, I try to follow back down and support and share, and, you know, let the people know that I appreciate them for checking in. So y'all be blessed. Today is New Year's, so we're trying to get things happen. Like I say, products over talent. Actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words. Let's make it happen this year. Coming into 2021, products over talent. Proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. HogOn.